All of you doing great. In this video, you are going to learn the exact difference between the Gohighlevel's $97 per month plan, $297 per month plan, and $497 per month plan. So basically, after this video, watching this video completely, you would never need to inquire or know from anybody else because I'm going to cover you exact details and in multiple layers so that this is ingrained with you. But not just that, if you watch the video completely till the end, you would also know how do you get free bonus, because I believe you are on the verge of sign up, and this free bonus includes even the plus one-to-one WhatsApp support. That means on the WhatsApp, a Gohighlevel expert will be available with you, because right after sign up, this is a big problem for the people, right? What to do, how to learn the system, how do you do the onboarding, hey, this problem occurred, how do I proceed with it? So imagine an expert is sitting right at the WhatsApp providing you one-to-one support, doing the onboarding setup for you. So basically, the lady will be doing onboarding setup for you. Apart from that, 127 snapshot set. Snapshot is done for you template, different niches. 127 one, $10,000 plus. So watch the video completely till the end. And my name is Abdullah Zahid. I have been associated with the Gohighlevel from the past 10 years. I've been independent affiliate from the past 4.5 years. I've been writing the blog articles from then. I've done interviews of the CEO and the co-founder, Sean Clark, Varun Varavan, super amazing people. It is available on my YouTube channel. And definitely, I can assure you the bonus that you're going to get after sign up, because it doesn't matter whether you sign up directly or through somebody's referral link. It is same for you. You don't pay anything extra. But just because signing up through somebody's referral link, you can get this super amazing bonus. So on top, starting with it, on top, on from the top, the exact difference between $97, $297, and $497. With the $97 plan, you have all the features of the sub accounts which is required for a business marketing, CRM, website builder, and everything, like you name it. I'm going to detail each of the thing, but you have this limit capacity of 3 sub account. Sub account 1 is basically handling your own business, or let's say any other business. Sub account 2, you can onboard another business. Sub account 3, you can onboard third business. And basically each of the two business, you can charge the amount that you want. With the $297 per month plan, you again have all the features, but the sub accounts become unlimited. So you can onboard 1,000 business, 10,000 business, right? And charge each of them. The only thing is that the sub account creation would be manual creation, right? And with the $497 plan, it will be, of course, everything in the $297 plan plus the SaaS mode and the rebilling. I'm going to explain to you what is the SaaS mode and rebilling, but let me just quickly jump onto the part which a lot of people happen to miss, which is how do you get this WhatsApp support, personal WhatsApp support, 1 month of live support, as well as this 127 snapshots. So all you have to do is just sign up to either of the plan, 97, 297, or 497, or even upgrade to any of the plan, and you going to get it. Now, which place do you find that link via which you sign up? So just go to the link abdullahzahid.com/snapshots, and I'm going to paste it on top of that, this particular link, abdullahzahid.com/snapshots. Once you go there, and that's where you will be able to see what are the bonuses that you're going to get. This is just a quick testimonial of one of the guy. Like I haven't posted all the testimonial. As you can see, one-to-one personal working by the Gohighlevel expert, 127 exclusive snapshot valued $14,000 plus, 100% free that you are going to get. Like literally, if you try to find some of the snapshot, let's say the coaching snapshot, the AI agency snapshot, the community snapshot, each of them you'll have to pay $1,000 plus. Now imagine 127 snapshot right sent to your inbox as a free. Now, if you want this service A2P approval, it'll be available. Personal development of the website or the funnels will be available by our expert as well. AI employee settings, secret trainings, personal group access. Total worth is $22,000, but you're going to get it completely free. So all you have to do, normally, by the way, you get 14-day free trial, but here, this is the first link, right? The first option, you click on this link, there will be 30-day free trial link. Let me just click here. As you can see, any friend of Abdullah is a friend of ours, and this is exclusive 30-day free trial they have given to us for you guys. And click on start an extended free trial and just enter your details, enter your card details. You won't be charged anything for 30 days. It's 100% free, either of the plan, right? And of course, you will be eligible for all the bonus that I just said it. Like our email is written down here. Just email to us just to quicken up the process. Now, let's say somebody who's already signed up. The next option for you would be upgrade to $297 plan using this link. Click here. Our link will be populated. Our affiliate link will be pre-populated. Just enter your relationship number and name. or you upgrade to $497 plan. This is the third option as well available. And even like some people want to purchase the snapshot at the bottom of this page, they can purchase the snapshot. This is our interview with the Sean Clark and Varun, my interview with the CEO and the co-founder. And all, as well as if you want to see what all snapshots are you getting here, you can just check the list. The entire list is available, right? So almost all the things, so you would definitely not want to miss it. So make sure that you sign up through this link, abdullahzahid.com/snapshots, and then you use either of the link, right? The link is here again, the button. Most likely, if you're signing up for the first time, this is sign up for the 30-day free trial. You click here, enter your email address and stuff. Make sure the email address that you're using is the new one, not previously that you have already entered using somebody else's link, so that to ensure that you get the bonus. Now let us jump back onto the differences. So let me just reiterate the difference. The $97 per month plan, you have 3 sub accounts. Now each sub account contains the entire marketing thing, right? The CRM, the website funnel, the blogging, form surveys, web chat, uh, widget, workflow, social media, content AI, email thing, templates, conversation AI, right? Membership, Facebook, compliance, snapshot, white label review, listing, reputation management, you name it. All of the feature within one sub account that is required to run a particular business. So sub account one, let's say it's running your own business because you two are an agency who is trying to run the business, right? Then you still have a vacancy for 2 more sub accounts. So you can onboard client 1, let's say local dentist out there, and then you charge them monthly. Then you onboard client 2, right? Now if you want the 4th sub account, then you have to upgrade to this unlimited plan, right? This $297 plan where now you have unlimited number of sub account. 1,000 businesses you can onboard, 1,000 sub account, 10,000 sub account. Unlimited means like there is no limit to it. Each of the sub account you're charging the monthly charge that you wish to charge. But one more thing that you have is the branding of the app. So here it is like Gohighlevel itself, but here you can, let's say in my case, I can put my own logo onto the app, put my own name instead of high level, let's say Abdullah Zahid Enterprise. So any client that I'm onboarding, they would be thinking this is Abdullah Zahid Enterprise software. So it's completely white labeled with the $297 plan. Then $497 plan, as I told you earlier, you have all the features here, unlimited sub accounts and stuff, but the first difference, major difference, is auto sub account creation feature. That means here you will have to manually, with the $297 plan, manually create the sub account, right? But I mean, see, when you're starting it out, let's say till like first 10 clients, 20 clients, of course, like you're creating it manually. But this one becomes like as if you're a SaaS company. So anytime the user signs up, right, automatically sub account will be created. The username and password will be sent automatically through the email to those clients, and this will be auto sub account creation process, right? So it is as if you have become a software company. Amazing. But and the second major difference is the rebilling. What is rebilling? So basically the email and the SMS conversation, which is a major part of the Gohighlevel. Of course, it's not a big charge, it's a small charge. But normally with the $297 plan or the $97 plan, whatever charge that comes, the client pays, right? You as an agency don't make any benefit out of it. But with this plan, you can mark up. Let's say you just put 2x. So if the bill was coming as $100 a month for their SMS and email combined together, they will be charged $200. So because you have marked 2x, so the cost will be $100, which will be deducted, and the remaining $100 will become your profit. Now imagine as an agency, as you keep on growing, you can literally make a bank out of it, right? And as your local business or the client that you are serving is keeps on growing the SMS and email feature, you keep on making more. And some of the clients like literally have done 4x the price. So 3 times they keep and 1 time is the cost. A lot of people are making big bank out of it, and in fact it is a huge cost. Like if you play it right, you can make a big sum of money. So this is an amazing feature, rebilling, which I just said, which I just talked about, as well as automatic sub account creation, which is literally worth it. A lot of people, that's why once they are onto this plan, they don't want to switch it. Now comes the question that, okay, like probably you can say the last question, that which plan should you choose? Which one would be the best plan for you? Then comes, see, with the $97 per month plan, you can have 3 sub accounts and you cannot white label, but everything will be working for the first. So for this plan, I would say somebody who's not sure whether this works or not, who doesn't have enough money to pay, right? Who's like, okay, let me just see if it works. And the goal would be, let me just see, like, let me just onboard first client and then I'll be sure whether to go all in or not. They can go with the $97 plan, and of course you start with 30-day free trial. Over here, as you can see, the link which I gave you, abdullahzahid.com/snapshots, here when you click here, you'll be having 30-day free trial. Basically this link is rerouting to official Go High Level page, but with our referral link attached to it. 30-day free trial, and then you can keep on working till you find your first client. Let's say the first client, you're charging them $297 per month. Now your cost is already covered. Then you decide, okay, and now I'm going to go all in. I'm going to white label the application as my own and treat it as a proper business for these people. For the $297 plan, I would say the small businesses who are already in the business, who want to take this seriously, right? Because right from the get go, they don't want people to see, okay, this is a Go High Level app. They want to see XYZ Enterprise, whatever the branding that they want to put. And they are not here just to get one or two people, they are here to get hundreds of people. That's what their goal is, right? So, right from the beginning, they are push, like they have put themselves, like they have done the branding. Of course, like, you don't have to worry about how do you do that branding, how do you do the setup, because as I said, because you will be signing using our link, personal one-to-one WhatsApp support will be given by my expert, Go High Level expert, who is going to do it all for you, right? All your branding will be done by them, all your settings, and even they are going to teach you the system and one-to-one. So literally it is an advantage that you don't want to miss on. So make sure you go to the link abdullahzahid.com/snapshots and sign up through this link. Right. As you can see, like if I hover here, then over here, if you see, this is gohighlevel.com/abdullahzahid in the bottom left, if you can see. So it is actually taking you to the Go High Level website itself, but our name is appended here. Then comes the last part, $497 plan. It is for the people who are really serious about it, who just want to go all in. There's no bullshit. There's no thinking about it, right? They want to even use the markup feature, make the profit out of the SMS and stuff, as well as auto sub account creation. They are here to make hundreds of, like, make a proper SaaS company, SaaS business. And some of the people who are already earning, let's say, enough sum of money, then definitely right from the get go you would want to start with it. Why? Because, like, let's say even you onboard two clients, you're still profitable, right? You're already profitable, so there is no stoppage with that. So guys, that was it. I hope that you now understand the difference between all the three plans, and you also know that it is worth it to sign up using the affiliate link of the people, right? And my affiliate link would be abdullahzahid.com/snapshots. If you go through here, this is the page where you can see all the bonus that you're going to get, plus one-to-one personal WhatsApp support through our Go High Level expert, as well as 190 127 snapshot set that you're going to get, right? So this is the link. Let me just click here. Okay. So I wish you guys all the best. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.